Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another vlog. This is your Blackwise here. Vanakkam, namaskaram, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? How are you all? So today is 27th March and it's 6:45 almost. So what am I doing so early in the morning? Well, 27th March, ex-BHP, they're here in Coimbatore. So they're here. They are doing their ride, right? The All India ride. So I'm going for the meetup. Going to meet everyone and from the ex-BHP team along with the fastest Indian Simran King is there, and Ride with Vijay is also there as their guests. They're riding to Ooty. So let's go ahead and meet them. So it is happening in a mall, Prozone Mall. It says 11 kilometers. Alright. Yeah, I know. Alright, so let's go then. So I asked Dhanush also yesterday. Good morning. So I asked Dhanush yesterday if he's coming. He said he's coming. But now I called him up, he's not answering. ठीक है, चलेगा. Can't expect everyone, right, to come every time. No, it's not like that. Like he only had first showed me ex-BHP is coming to Coimbatore on 27th March. I didn't know. So इसलिए I called him up. Let's see if he calls back. If he comes, he'll come directly there. So it's around how many? 10 kilometers, just 21 minutes. It's happening in a mall. I think that is the best area they got here in Coimbatore. So let's go there, meet the guys, have some fun and get back home. It's pretty hot nowadays, so I've not worn my riding gear or such. Woo! The bike just flies. So I've not worn my riding gear or anything because it's here only, just nearby, and it's so hot also nowadays. Old man. So it's hot also nowadays. It's sweat. It's kind of irritating. So I thought, chuck it and let's go quickly, meet them and come back. And also I will try shooting a video soon with video as in a proper video with all the with the actual the parts and all that have changed and how good it is. How I'm enjoying. Sorry, not enjoying. What am I talking, man? Morning. Alright, so I'll make a video soon on my review, my feedback. Though I am not a specialist or such, but at least some knowledge of what I have, because the mainly is the experience. Okay, signal is there. I thought there's no signal. So what I'll do is I'll try recording the video with my experience as to how well it is, how how the bike is performing and everything after changing, upgrading the chain sprocket, upgrading the filter, changing the spark plug. I have also changed the brake fluid, which is a Liquimoly .4 right now that I'm using. When they were changing the fluid, the mechanic at the service center, the place where I gave Fly Motocraft, so he is basically a mechanic who does all their race bikes. So when he saw the brake fluid, he was pretty impressed. He said this is a good one. So that gave me a little happiness. Damn, this GoPro nowadays is so irritating. Bugger seems to be hanging a lot. You don't know when it's recording, when it is not recording. Need to stop, take it out, get the battery out, then again put it back in and play. I mean, like, this is so tough. But what to do, I have to manage. Just now this guy got stuck and okay, so we are here at Frozone Mall. Okay, this seems to be the mall. This is the mall, I see. So this seems to be the mall. Okay, the meetup is happening here. This is where the meetup is happening, Frozone Mall. And looks like everyone is just coming in right now. What I'll do is I'll take out the camera and put it on the mount. So I'm here at the XBHP meetup happening here in Coimbatore, Frozone Mall, and they're all here. So people are coming in, all the bikes are parked there. So the meetup is happening here. The XBHP bikes are standing there on the stage. The Rocket, H2, Ntorq and RR310 and the Thars. And guess who's here? The one and only Ride with Vijay, all the way from Hyderabad. Been long time meeting him. I mean, I'm really happy he's come. He's part of XBHP. He's riding with them till Ooty. Yeah. So he started from Kochi. Yeah? Cochin. He started from Cochin. So he's part of their ride from Cochin to Ooty. So
I am actually very happy to see you here. It's like the time I joined this ride, I feel like I'm alone because I have the team, but nobody from the supporters side or friend, nobody is there. And suddenly you popped up here in Coimbatore, and the happiness is like limitless now.
Correct. And the world is very small.
Yeah, very small,
Right. So I'm really happy. It's been like almost more than 1-2 years meeting Ride with Vijay. So we have Sunilji there, we have Simran, the fastest Indian, standing there, and it's all happening here right in Coimbatore.
This is love, love, love. This is love. This is love, love. This is love. This is love, love, love. This is love. This is love, love. This is love. Love, love, love. This is love. This is love. Down for the bass sound, down for the bass sound, down for the bass sound.
are happening there.
I would request
And,
everyone, each and every team,
This is Ride with VJ.
to take this initiative.
This is Simran King, the
Whenever you
fastest
go to a
Indian.
ride, try this. Like
No one
it won't
to
be
beat you till
costing
now,
much.
right?
So
No one to
you
beat
get
your
the
title till
same
now, na?
speed
The fastest Indian.
of equalizing the mess
So
we are making up.
he's the one.
So actually,
You can check out
I have to
all
make
their
a-
Instagrams.
So,
Sandeep Nadim,
So I brought
Mana
some,
Sandeep.
See balls, I would like to
ట్రై చేయి బ్రో ట్రై చేయి
Sandeep, Ride with VJ is telling you something.
బ్రో ట్రై చేయి బ్రో गाइस अभी हम लोग
about XBHP's road trip that we are doing right now. That is great. That is great. So it actually makes my life easier because I don't have to explain a lot about the road trip. Now, how many of you are aware about XBHP itself? That is nice. There's still a few hands which did not go up. That means that gives me an opportunity to explain about XBHP. Now, for that, quickly let me just tell you first of all why we are actually going around India, what exactly XBHP is, and what is our motive of meeting today. So, XBHP being one of the oldest communities, clubs over here of the motorcycling lifestyle platforms, we are going around India meeting different bikers, biking clubs with the sole motive of spreading a message of Ride United, Ride Safe. Because what happens is, in most of the cities, there are multiple biking clubs. How many biking clubs are here? These are the biking clubs? Oh, these are so many biking clubs? Acha, I think multiple people from the same biking club are also raising hands. Okay. So, I think I saw somewhere about 10 over here. Then we've got other partners as well who supported us, like Thar. So we've got 2 Thar as well. So again, people think that with the bikes, how can you take cars, or maybe the cars will be far behind. That is what, when we say if you're riding together, if you're riding united, the car is also equally potent machines to ride together, right? So that is what we've been doing, and for that, and I also want to thank Tarun from CRA. Tarun, please. So Tarun has helped a lot to top. I think most of the people are not aware since we started, and then immediately because of COVID, we were into lockdown for a year, and now we are again reopened it last month. So I hope everyone can now enjoy go-karting in Coimbatore again. It's basically a drifting track. Since it's an indoor located on the rooftop, you keep drifting. Okay, and please feel free to visit after 11 o'clock. That's the operating hours of the mall. You're not supposed to go inside now, so maybe after 11 o'clock come visit with your friends and family. Thank you.
Great.
Thank you so much, Arun. Tarun, sorry. All right, now again and lot, a couple of other people who have been here, and to me Coimbatore is always about the speedway, the Kari Motor Speedway, which is here, and a lot of two strokes. So these are the keywords which always came to Coimbatore in my mind when I used to hear Coimbatore. But there is one more thing which comes to my mind, which is Ooty. And we are finally going to go to a hill station after 6,000 kilometers on this road trip. I think we have not visited a hill station as of now in this ride. So we are really looking forward to it, and I think you should be really feel lucky about the fact that you are sitting at the foothills. And so I want to ask a question, how many of you actually go for a weekend run or a Sunday run to Ooty? Look at that. Huh? Tea break, yeah, of course, tea break, yes. So one of the fondest memories that I have of Ooty is in 2006 when I first went around India on a Honda Fireblade, 1000 RR. It was a beautiful bike, and I stopped in Ooty and I had coffee over there. It was wonderful weather. The clouds were almost touching the ground, and it was cool wind. So I am really looking forward to do that, replicate that, but this time on the H2. and of course all the bikes that we have. And this is the wonderful thing, you know, about what we have been doing, that, you know, fast growing seed balls. So you throw them anywhere and they might just grow. You take more.
So I'll quickly show you guys around all the lineup here for today's meetup. So starting, we have all the bikes. I'm really happy. So I was asking Vijay. I was asking Vijay. Sorry, the right. You know, nowadays the way you know people is through their social handle name. So even in Hyderabad, anyone sees the Black Visor, they won't tell Rohit. So here also, you know, that comes up. So anyways, with Vijay I was talking. How was the meetup XBHP in Hyderabad? What he has to say?
Hyderabad biking community has grown rapidly, and it's a very good thing actually. Manamu always used to look into other states for biking, maybe Kerala, Karnataka, other states, but we are not less than any other state. We are actually huge, and that's very beautiful. Comparing to Coimbatore or other meetups that I've been, I feel like Hyderabad ka biking culture has grown a lot and also groomed.
That's really nice to hear. I mean, it's so good to hear about Hyderabad from a vlogger himself.
It's not like I'm from Hyderabad and I'm talking about Hyderabad. I'm looking at it.
So basically, he's gone around. He knows he's attended Kochi meetup, Coimbatore meetup. So he's seen quite a few. He attended the Hyderabad meetup. The crowd was. It's not about, we're not talking about the crowd. We're talking about the biking culture. That is, you know, getting at a good pace here in India. And I'm really happy to see our biking culture evolving pretty good in Hyderabad as well. So missing Hyderabad a lot now after hearing all this. It's time to visit Hyderabad soon. So we're almost done. We're almost done here with the meetup. It's all done, and these guys are about to leave. And so looks like Sunny Ji is doing something, a surprise for everyone. So then that's it. I hope just a small vlog. It was good to come meet everybody, and I mean, it was fine. I mean, you know, it's good. I'm happy to meet and see many bikers here. Good crowd. So that's it. Then I'm ending the vlog. Nothing much. I'll catch you guys in another vlog. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, have fun. Bye bye.